Hello everyone, I'm Jackie Chen Science. I will take you into science and feel history. Come with me. Why children from unhappy families tend to go to two extremes. Some netizens describe these children lack confidence, anxious, irritable, and impetuous. They are kind and cold-blooded, arrogant, and inferior. They worry about gains and losses, lacking a sense of security. They are conflicted and awkward, desire to be understood, yet afraid of being exposed. They are extreme pleasing types. These children desperately desire love. In interpersonal relationships, they often put themselves in a humble position of a giver. They dare not refuse others or make a request. They always prioritize others. This stems from their family of origin. Only by being obedient can they get praise, and they will be punished if they don't please parents. They learn to cater and form the wrong cognition that they are not worthy. Wrong cognition, and they extend this pattern of getting along with parents to the outside world. Second, the extreme emotional indifference type lack enthusiasm for people and things. They seem optimistic but are indifferent and pessimistic inside. They see everything clearly. This indifference is because in the family of origin, parents often ignore their children's needs, and children are blamed and denied when they are scared, which leads to subconscious fear of relationships. They cope with high anxiety, making relationships a burden. Over time, they bring this attitude into all relationships. They feel more comfortable being alone, eventually becoming emotionally indifferent.